Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the another interesting topic called backwards, and this is from the CloudFoxable itself, and this is like a 50 points challenge. So as the name suggests, here we need to go from forward to the backward direction, correct? And what exactly we need to do? So as you already know, in most of the pen tester, or we can say most of the cloud pen tester, what exactly they used to do is when they start with the testing or the pen testing of the cloud environment, they used to find some interesting things, and then they work from the backward direction to see who all has access to that particular file. Like, is it just an administrator who has the access to the file, or we can say from the least privilege as well, we can pull the data, or the least user has the access to it. So that's what actually we need to do here. We need to first find the interesting thing, and then we need to go from the forward to the backward direction, correct? Now, so I'm just highlighting the things like what exactly you can read. So here we need to dump some values from the secret manager, and then definitely we can use it. So what exactly we need to do here is, so first we need to just check who all has access to this particular domain administrator credential from the secrets manager, and then we need to use the CloudFoxable profile and grab the secret value from the here. So because in the last challenge we have already pulled the CloudFoxable secret value and we have already configured everything, so let's start with the terminal. So first we need to write the command, correct? Let me just copy it on the here and let me just paste it here quickly. So the command would be AWS IAM and list roles with your CloudFoxable profile. So let's take for, okay, fine. So we have the result ready. Now you can see we have multiple roles, the first role and the second role, and the second role is like a Alexander Arnold role, correct? Now, so and if we check again, so for this particular Alexander Arnold, it has assigned this CTF starting user principal, and the action is like set to assume role. So what exactly we need to do here is we need to, let's enumerate this particular Alexander Arnold role so that we will get some more detail. We need to run the command called AWS IAM list attached role and then the role name with the CloudFoxable profile. So once you run this command, you will get the detail, and you will see the policy called corporate domain admin password policy is attached to this particular role, and this is the policy ARN. Now if you go back to the particular screen, you will see we need to first find like who has the access to this or domain administrator credential, and we got the detail key this particular user for or not has the access to this particular admin password policy kind of policy. Now let's do one more thing. Let's enumerate this particular policy so we will get the list or get the details. So for this, I'm just copying the ARN from here. Sorry, my bad. Let me write it again. Copy it, then paste it, then let me just copy the policy ARN from here again, and let's paste it. Then we need to add the version ID as well as, only the version ID and the profile. So fine, just wait for it to perform the scan. Okay, so here we have the details, correct? Without this particular user or this particular for this particular policy, we have the permission for this secret manager and of get secret value and the resource. So in the next, we need to just use the Alexander Arnold permission to patch the particular detail. For that, we need to first check who all has or what all secrets are there. So yes, now you can see there are lots of the secrets available. The first one is like a database secret, second one is like a secure flag, and third one seems to be like a corporate domain admin password secret. So we need to do some things on this particular domain admin password. It means we need to use this domain admin password to extract the value from the secret. Now let's use the particular Alexander Arnold values to dump some data from the secret manager. For that, you need to edit your configuration file, or we can say a connection file, or the AWS. So if you open the credential files Let me put it in this screen. Correct. So here you need to just add like the value or the profile name, then the region, then the role ARN that we have copied earlier, and then the profile. So we are going to use like a source profile as like a CloudFoxable profile that we have created last time. So let's run this command, correct, to dump the value or to get the value, I would say. So yeah, if I explain you the command, so this is just like we are calling or we are making the request to secret manager with the value called get secret value, and then we have put it the secret ID with the profile. So now here you can see that once the profile is run, we have the value called secret history, and this is like a flag. Let's copy it and paste it here, and yes, it's submitted. So yeah, I think that's all for this video. So here we have learned something interesting, like how exactly you can do or you can work in the backward direction. Like here what exactly we have done, we have just we know only the particular secret manager, then we have just checked who all has the access to that secret manager, and using that secret manager we have pulled the secret value. So yeah, thanks for your time. That's all for this video. Yeah, see you soon. Thanks, bye.